On November 9th, 1914, in Douglas County, Missouri, 24-year-old Parrot Brown married 17-year-old Alma Stanley. Alma and Parrot would have at least 5 children together, 4 girls and 1 boy: Mabel, Alva, Ellamae, Juanita, and Helen. Alma would have her children from the age of 19 to the age of 31. Out of their 5 children, Ellamae would be the only one to pass away at a young age, and her grave is the one I'm cleaning in this video. Alma and Parrot started their family in Douglas County. In 1920, Parrot was working at a sawmill while Alma was staying home with the children and taking care of the house. Ellamae was born on July 15, 1922. She passed away on September 1st, 1923, at the age of 1. Her family buried her in Yates Cemetery in Douglas County, Missouri. I found a newspaper article that stated, Parrot Brown of Catoosa, Oklahoma, arrived back last Wednesday in a response to a message that his 13-month-old daughter, Ellamae, who had been suffering from a complication of diseases since last January, was worse. The little one died Saturday and was laid to rest in Yates on Sunday. I'm guessing Parrot was traveling for work to Oklahoma and the family just hadn't went with him yet. I wasn't surprised to find that Ella had a connection to another grave video I filmed. Thomas Brown, known for having Brown's Cave named after him, would have been Ella's great-grandfather, and she is buried near his grave. After losing Ellamae in 1930, the whole Brown family moved to Tulsa County, Oklahoma. Parrot was working as a blacksmith in the stone crusher industry. 3 years later, Alma passed away in 1933 at the age of 36. I found a newspaper article that stated she passed away in a local hospital, but I don't know what her cause of death was. Alma is buried in, and I'm not making this name up, Dick Duck Cemetery in Rogers County, Oklahoma. 2 years after Alma passed away in 1935, 44-year-old Parrot married 29-year-old Minnie Hayes. They would have at least 1 daughter together. They stayed in Oklahoma, and on all the censuses, Parrot said he worked as a blacksmith. Parrot passed away in 1961 at the age of 71, and he is buried in Dick Duck Cemetery with Alma. Ellamae stone has a dove in flight carved at the top. Doves are a symbol of purity, innocence, and hope, and are very commonly found on the top of children's graves. Her epitaph says, "Gone but not forgotten." My family tree showed that I am related to Ellamae. She is my 8th cousin, once removed. Thank you for watching. Rest in peace, Ellamae.